Ladies and gentlemen.
What's going on, buddy, and welcome back to another video. So I did promise a V2 version to be back out, and it's kind of finished. Have a few things to finish buttoning up, but she's finished overall. Have the front bumper on, repainted everything at the front, smooth out the fenders and things like that. It's not looking too bad, not really doing anything too fancy to say, because I have to see if it will hold up. It does look a bit clean. I wanted to make sure that everything landed and had proper fitment for the slicks. These are non-belted, so you do get some form of, sorry about that, guys. These are non-belted slicks, so you will get some form of ballooning, so we don't really want anything too close to the wheel, but we are definitely getting some good fitment there. And you guys are not really new to the back part of the car, but for those who are new to the channel, can go around that side, same as this side. We had good fitment right here as well for this side, and I'm gonna go out and see how best now can dial everything in. I also went ahead and got new gearing. I changed from a 26 pin that I was running and kind of up the gearing a little bit to see if that will do anything. Yeah, so I did kind of went ahead and repaint the wing. However, sometimes when I'm painting, I'm not really in the best conditions, so it's done for now. It's not looking too bad. Sometimes I'm kind of a perfectionist, so you guys have to suit me sometimes, But for those who are new to the channel, this is what is on the back wing. We have something here that a servo, a small airplane servo that pushes up this thing to help slow the car down and keep the back down, because it's very heavy in the front. We're not very heavy, guys. We have most of the weight in the front and not a lot of weight in the back. As you can see, it's very light, so we use this sometimes to keep the back down when we're coming off our runs and stuff like that, and we basically letting the car coast. That's what we use that for. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, drop a like if you like how the car is looking. This is the best I could do, because funny enough, guys, there is not enough Honda bodies out anymore. I haven't really seen any. I've gone to like 3 hobby stores now, and there are no Honda bodies left. So what I was left to do now was just to go ahead and customize something for myself, in which ended up working out to look kind of good. It's not looking too bad, can't complain. Everything on this channel is custom, and it does look like the real deal from some angles. So again, stay tuned. We'll be doing a test and tune session as soon as we get some good weather, because it's been raining for a little bit, so we're going to be seeing how that will work out, guys. So drop a like and stay tuned for more.